Okay, so your question on the physics and collision shape of the object is not quite so easy to answer. It's kind of something you have to do some research and trial and error and find what works best for you. But I will try and explain how it works so that you can see what your options are. So let me show you. When you upload an object, when it starts out, it doesn't have any collision shape or physics shape at all, but you can generate one. The problem with the Second Life generator, and even when you make handmade physics, is it kind of ups the prim count a lot pretty fast. So in the physics tabs, you see I set to low, then I analyze. You just kind of see the basic shape that it gives. It's really not ideal for this kind of object. Hand making it is a total nightmare. It's okay when you've got simple shapes like walls or something, but for something like this, hand making it is just like a total Rubik's Cube, and Second Life makes lots of issues, and it's really not worth the waste of time. Let me just upload. Oh, hang on. Just upload it like that. Okay. So as it is, just basically, see, it already has kind of a shape to it, but you can walk into it, which is what you requested. Hang on, normally, I think. Oh, no, you can't walk into it. Okay. And if I set it to prim, see here it's 24 land impact. If I set it to prim, which is using the physics shape that we created, okay, it didn't go up this time. I see, it's totally random. You just have to, you have to love Second Life. Earlier when I did it, it was having a higher prim count, and then it's not quite so bad. See, there's most things you can walk into it, and most things you can't walk through them. Yeah, not too bad. So that's one option, but as you see, you have to play with it, because like here we managed to have a 24 land impact, but I think it's on this version that I did exactly the same thing. If I set it to prim, it has a 92 land impact. See? So, I don't know. Trial and error, I guess. The simplest option for me is just to hand make in-world your physics shape. So you just add objects that you'll make transparent so that it's a lot better. So on this one, the base objects are set to physics none, and the added objects that will serve as collision and physics shape are set to prim. See, none, prim, and then you just go and make them transparent, and no one even knows they're there. See what I mean? That's the easiest way to have a good prim count and control your collision shapes. There you go. I'm not sure that's totally clear. If you have some questions, you can ask me. Also, there's quite a lot of information on the Second Life wiki that maybe explains it better than me. But basically, it's not an exact science. It really is trial and error. So you You just have to kind of see what works for you. There you go. Hope that helps.